Or say okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Department of Public Works and Highways, Lanao del Norte, 1st District Engineering Office. Ladies and gentlemen, the District Office will be conducting a private conference for civil works for contract ID number 26KG 00056 14, 15, and 16. We have 5 civil works subject for the private conference. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to formally open this private conference, may I request Engineer Sukarno to have the prayer.
Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone. Let us pray. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the worlds, the most compassionate, the most merciful, Master of the day of judgment. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Guide us to the straight path, the path of those you have blessed, not of those who have incurred your anger, nor of
Okay. Thank you, Engineer Sukarno, for the prayer. May we request Engineer Karen Reyes for the attendance and find out if there is a quorum.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.
I'll now call the roll of back members to determine the quorum. Back Chairperson, Makamadali P. Pundugar. Back Vice Chairperson, Efren A. Tulod. Back Regular Member, Naida Bisata. Back Regular Member, Farida O. Manan. Back Member, Eleanor F. Cabaluna. All are present, Mr. Chair, and we have a quorum. Oh, okay. Back DWG Head, Sukarno M. Hajinor. Other TWG members, Engineer Rachid J. Mudag Jr., Engineer Ivan C. Sinahon, Mr. Atilano Gahi Jr., Engineer Christopher Gialon, Engineer Muhammad Ali Yumala, Engineer Ernesto Roel L. Chu III, Dr. Sherin Eve L. Maagad Makadindang, Engineer Paul Brian H. Openya, Engineer Fairosa Tabuakar, Back Secretariat, myself as the head, Karen Reyes, other Secretariat members, Architect Aisel Velarde, Engineer Ibrahim M. Makadindang, Engineer Muhammad Samin A. Mindalano, Miss Siti Akima Dimaporo, Engineer Aljunaira Miraato, Mr. Saraman Laot, Miss Nora Anoos, Mr. Dan Padayhag, Mr. Rani Hardinaso, Miss Salma Amer. For participating contractor, we have from Green Builder and Enterprises, Jonathan D. Sarip. From the online observers, we have 2. Nahingalan. We have 3 Green Builders. That's all, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I'm done.
Thank you, Engineer Karen Reyes, for the roll call and acknowledgement. Since there is a quorum, I think this is a private, the chief of the planning is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Once again, pleasant morning to everyone. Mr. Chair, before I proceed, may I request the BACSEC to read our agenda for today's meeting, Mr. Chair? Thank you.
The agenda for our pre-bid conference. Number 1, brief presentation explanation of the BAC on the following: A, basic contract data, including contract description, ABC, and duration. B, requirements of bidding documents, including instruction to bidders. General conditions of contract, special conditions of contract, specifications, drawings, bill of quantities, and forms. C, documents to be submitted by the bidders. Technical component of the bid, field JEP certificate, including Annex A, PCAB license and registration, statement of all ongoing government and private contracts, SLCC, single largest contract, NFCC computation and statement of total assets and total liabilities, joint venture agreement if applicable. Next. Criteria and procedure of eligibility check, and questions, comments from bidders and reply. Other matters. Summary of proceedings. That's all, Mr. Chair.
I think the chief of the planning is properly guided as enumerated in the agenda of the private conference. Now, you have to have the brief presentation and explanation on the agenda of the private conference as enumerated. Go ahead.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chair. For information, everyone, this is in accordance with our Republic Act 12314, or also known as our GAA General Appropriation Act of FY 2026. Today we have 5 projects to be procured. Out of 5, we have 3 projects under our organization Outcome 1 or OO1 program, and 2 other projects were under our Convergence and Special Support Program or CSSP. Mr. Chair, with your permission, may I recognize Engineer Canubida to present to us for more details and overview of our projects to be procured, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning, everyone. So let's start with a contract ID 26KG005 with a contract title of Construction Improvement of Access Roads Leading to Declared Tourism Destination, Tourism Road Infrastructure Program, Access Road Leading to Mighty Cave Barangay Dimayon Station 0 590 to Station 0740, Tagoloan, Lanao del Norte. Our contract location is Tagoloan, Lanao del Norte. Project description. Total project duration is 37 calendar days with a physical target of 0.3 lane kilometer. Description of works to be done are the facilities for the engineer, other general requirements, earthworks, sub-base and base course, surface course, drainage and slope protection structures, which includes the line canal, rectangular reinforced concrete, miscellaneous structures, including reflectorized thermoplastic pavement marking white and reflectorized thermoplastic pavement yellow. Minimum equipment requirements. We have 2 dump truck, 1 payloader, 1 backhoe, 1 chainsaw, 1 plate compactor, 1 water truck or pump, 1 motorized road grader, 1 vibratory roller, 4 transit mixer, 2 concrete vibrator, 1 concrete squeeder, 1 concrete saw, 1 bar cutter, 1 joint sealer machine, 1 bar bender, 1 bagger mixer, 1 cargo or service truck, 1 applicator machine, and 1 kneading machine. The approved budget for the contract is 4,145,126.10 pesos. Next is with the contract ID 26KG006 with a contract title of construction or improvement of access roads leading to trades, industries, and economic zone roads levering leakage for industry and trade infrastructure program. Segapod to Maliwanag Road connecting the National Highway of Segapod in support of the coconut oil, rubber, and tables of processing industry station 5 plus 924 to station 6 plus 90 Barangay Maliwanag, Maigo, Lanao del Norte. The contract location is Maigo, Lanao del Norte. Project description. The total project duration is 40 calendar days with a physical target of 0.33 lane kilometer. Description of works to be done, facilities for the engineer, other general requirements, earthworks, sub-base and base course, surface course, bridge construction, drainage and slope protection structures, which include the pipe culvert, line canal, rectangular reinforced concrete, and miscellaneous structures, which includes also the seedling or sampling for other programs or initiatives. Minimum equipment requirements. We have 2 dump truck, 1 payloader, 1 backhoe, 1 chainsaw, 1 plate compactor, 1 water truck or pump, 1 motorized road grader, 1 vibratory roller, 4 transit mixer, 2 concrete vibrator, 1 concrete squeeder, 1 concrete saw, 1 bar cutter, 1 joint sealer machine, 1 bar bender, 1 bagger mixer, 1 cargo or service truck, 1 applicator machine, and 1 kneading machine. The approved budget for the contract is 4,605,717.94 pesos. Next is with the contract ID 26KG0014 with a contract title of Preventive Maintenance along Linamon-Zamboanga Road, K1588 plus 813 to K1589 plus 900. Our contract location is Tubod, Lanao del Norte. Project description. Total project duration is 119 calendar days with a physical target of 4.79 lane kilometer. Description of works to be done, facilities for the engineer, other general requirements, earthworks, sub-base and base course, surface course, which includes the emulsified asphalt, miscellaneous structure, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings yellow, and concrete joint sealant. Minimum equipment requirements: 2 dump truck, 1 payloader, 1 backhoe, 1 water truck, 1 motorized road grader, 1 vibratory roller, 4 transit mixer, 2 concrete vibrator, 1 concrete squeeder, 1 concrete saw, 1 bar cutter, 1 joint sealer machine, 1 cargo or service truck, 1 applicator machine, 1 kneading machine, 1 asphalt distributor, 1 power broom, 1 asphalt paver, and 1 pinol tire roller. 1 tandem steel ruler, 1 concrete batching plant, and 1 asphalt kettle or drum. The approved budget for the contract is 49,255,057.9 pesos. Next is with the contract ID 26KG0015 with the contract title of Rehabilitation, Reconstruction, Upgrading of Damaged Paved Roads along Lanao del Norte Interior Circumference Road K1535 plus 204 to K1535 plus 400. Contract location is Tagoloan, Lanao del Norte. Total project duration is 49 calendar days with a physical target of 0.392 lane kilometer. Description of works to be done, facilities for the engineer, other general requirements, earthworks, sub-base and base course, and surface course. Minimum equipment requirements, 2 dump truck, 1 payloader, 1 backhoe, 1 water truck, 1 motorized road grader, 1 vibratory roller, 4 transit mixer, 2 concrete vibrator, 1 concrete screeder, 1 concrete saw, 1 bar cutter, 1 joint sealer machine, 1 backhoe with breaker, and 1 cold milling machine. The approved budget for the contract is 4,607,072.38 pesos. Last is with the contract ID 26KG0016 with a contract titled Rehabilitation, Reconstruction, Upgrading of Damaged Paved Roads along Linamon-Zamboanga Road K1539 plus 910 to K1540 plus 123, Station K1544 plus 00 to K1545 plus 626, K1561 plus 35 to K1561 plus 845. Contract location is Lanao del Norte. Project description, total project duration is 218 calendar days with a physical target of 5.316 lane kilometer. Description of works to be done, facilities for the engineer, other general requirements, earthworks, sub-base and base course, surface course, miscellaneous structures, which includes the reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white and reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings yellow. Minimum equipment requirements, 2 dump truck, 1 payloader, 1 backhoe, 1 water truck, 1 motorized road grader, 1 vibratory roller, 4 transit mixer, 2 concrete vibrator, 1 concrete screeder, 1 concrete saw, 1 bar cutter, 1 joint sealer machine, 1 kneading machine, 1 cold milling machine, 1 plate compactor, 1 bar bender, 1 car service or service truck, 1 bagger mixer, and 1 applicator machine. The approved budget for the contract is 57,763,712 pesos. Reminders for the interested contractors, the contractor must observe the following in the bidding documents. First is the pagination. Second is the side tabbing arranged and labeled according to checklist. Third is the table of contents that will harmonize the pagination and side tabbing. This is the preliminary examination of technical components of the bid and the financial components of the bid. And kindly visit our office also for the schedule and coordination of this project site visit, and keep posted in the official website for the possible additional supplementary bid bulletin. And the schedule of the opening of bids is on May 5, 2026, 9 a.m. at DPWH Lanao First DEO Conference Room. Reminders also for the interested contractors, the restoration of all road facilities such as Kilometer 4, railings, guardrails, and Tiger Eye. That's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Engineer Kadubeda, for the information. First of all, I would like to make it clear reminders to our very own partner, the Contractors Association of the Philippines. Please see to it that before drafting, see to it that your document, because there were so many instances wherein we experienced that contractors were tagged ineligible due to their documents during the submission was not updated, or it is updated, but when they submit their update to central office, it is already after the bidding. So meaning you have to submit your documents or updated documents in central office prior to the bidding. Prior to the bidding. All updates of documents by the contractor must be submitted to the central office before the date of the bidding. I think that is very clear. Second is that updating of these documents lies not only for one documents or one Class E documents. Supposedly all documents with expiration, registration from SIC or DTI, mayor's permit, tax clearance, pay-cab license, audited financial statement, so on and so forth, must be updated. And it should be submitted to central office prior to the date of the bidding. For example, the date of the bidding is April 10. Dapat po ma-submit niyo yan kung pwede April 1 pa lang. Kasi maraming contractors na nag-a-update. Kung mag-submit mo one day prior to the bidding, baka hindi pa na-include yan sa central office. So mas mabuti pa, make it earlier the possible time para maiwasan ang problema natin sa eligibility. The eligibility check lies on the uh, findings and evaluation in the CWR Central Office, Manila. It is not in the district office. That's why when you were ineligible, the district office cannot do anything. We can only request for unlocking, but it will take time. Even rest assured that request for unlocking may be soon as possible time. But once the central office found out that you submit your updating after the bidding, they will never consider that motion or reconsideration. So, mas mabuti agahan ninyo ang pag-submit ninyo ng mga dokumento na binanggit ko. So, dagang salamat. Thank you, fellow contractors, prospect. Is platinum. And another reminder is the GIS for the corporation and the ISO accreditation. If you are not aware with these new requirements, you can visit our office and we can make enlightenment or discussions nor update with these documents. Okay, yes, Vice Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. In addition, also, Mr. Chair, for a gentle reminder to our interested and prospective bidders with regards to the COA observation, Mr. Chair. This is under our COA observation regarding with the non-declaration of all ongoing and just started private and government projects. And secondly is please check your NFCC. I think that's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Vice Chair. Yes, there were findings. And the Commission on Audit is very much updated on the numbers of prospective bidders. Please, if you have ongoing just awarded projects anywhere in the country, you must have to declare it because the Commission on Audit is very particular on that. they have their own ways of when you see none, but if they found out that you hide something, we are very sorry. Another is the because your ongoing and just awarded projects play a vital role on your net financial contracting capacity. So once they will make computations and your NFCC is not capable to undertake such project, definitely they will disapprove. That's why it is very important to please declare all ongoing and just awarded. Thank you. Yes, NFCC. The NFCC role is to check whether you are capable of bidding such project, and that can only be done with para ano eh. So I hope we are very clear on that. Contractors are advised also to please visit the office for more information and guidance with respect to the procurement, because we are now adopting the 12009. And we have a new secretary. Our secretary also issued new rules as far as procurement is concerned. So we have to uphold all of those things. And if you feel that you are not updated with those visit our office. Okay? Any other inputs? Bids and Hours Committee Secretary, TWG. Yes, Engineer Sukarno, you are recognized.
Sir, good morning, everyone. So I will be talking in behalf of the maintenance section. So I just want to remind everyone that, as agreed, that the maintenance section will actively participate during the implementation of the project. I just want to request those contractors and also to the personnel of the office that during the pre-construction activities, the maintenance will be also invited to attend so that we could be able to determine those roadside structures that might be affected during the implementation. So we should should have a joint ocular inspection with the contractors and the office personnel so that we could prevent those blaming maybe in the future. So in the maintenance section, We are very much particular with the roadside structures, specifically the guardrails, the let us say the informative signs. So I hope that during the pre-construction activities, or during the pre-construction meeting with the LGU, the maintenance will also be informed so that we could participate and we could suggest for the betterment of the implementation. That is all, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I move to adjourn our pre-bid conference.
The green builders and enterprises who are now in online. Green builders and enterprises, do you have any queries with regards to the private conference? There is movement here to adjourn. So if there's none, as duly seconded, the yes. No comments? Yes. So if that is none so far po. Thank you, Green Builder. So since there is a duly seconded movement for the adjournment, the private conference is hereby adjourned. So order. Okay. Order.